Alright, so snake POV, gonna do a longer video now, walking along the nice cliff walk here, you know. You saw me being a bit of a bad snake, walking through the no pedestrian sign, perhaps in an earlier video. So I just turn it off, you know. I meet like a local guide, snake walking here with his friend, you know, like he tell us. What he tell us?
He told us to go to the west side of Ireland, and also that there was no danger here. We could make it easily.
So there's the road is closed by a gate, but we should be able to climb it, or we take the summit to the top. We're gonna find out. By the way, just look at these fields. It's like the American movie Gladiator. Yeah. You just walk in them, drag the hands. What did happen in that scene? Was it when he was dying or what? I don't remember.
When he was dying.
Damn. You get to enjoy this in life. The birthplace of civilization. Corn. Man, if we only had this in Ireland, you know, 200 years ago. Different story.
There's a police helicopter coming.
Yeah, it looks like it, man. I don't know, those pesky Brits. Let's see, it's coming closer here. It's hunting the snake. I'm gonna do like this, turn it up a little bit. They're looking for bad snakes. And I mean, who are they to say, don't walk on this road, it's a little bit dangerous, you know, edge of cliff, this and that. It's a beautiful day, it's not windy, with two young, healthy, fit lads. You know, no government gonna tell us what to do and not to do, man.
Absolutely, man. We're gonna scale that gate.
That's right, we're gonna scale that gate and showcase a lot of beautiful nature on the way. So this walk is 10 kilometers. That's not really 10 miles in America. I think it's like 1 kilometer is 1.2 miles is 1 kilometer, or the other way around, something like this. No, wait, the American mile is a little bit longer. Man, make math. It's difficult. I should have been Asian. Man, YouTube algorithm not gonna like that, you know. Push the like button. And don't bury me just because I make joke. Nah, I'm not gonna edit. I never edit. It's too annoying. Oh man, stone in the shoe, shoe in the stone. Oh, this little thing. So we see some more bad snakes, you know. They take the long way around. They do the cliff walk. Very good. Now they do the Gladiator Field Instagram photo. Man, I have a nice photo of you, by the way, when you walk out into this.
I appreciate it.
I'll send you later. You can make Instagram story and put a city boy quote.
We need one wearing Roman armor, you know?
Yeah.
Doing the whole gladiator thing.
I agree. And I hear, you know, like sometimes I hear some news, like I hear you guys over in the America, you have a 4th of July fight on the White House lawn, UFC. Oh, that's crazy. Hello, hello.
Hi.
not gonna lie, 10 kilometers. It's not gonna be easy. What's your opinion on the cliff walk so far?
It's been fantastic.
Yeah.
Beautiful view, beautiful nature. We haven't even started yet.
Nah. This is the one, you know, you can
Yeah,
walk right
yeah,
into the
yeah.
cornfield. Crazy with the ocean as a background. Yeah. Oof.
Getting hot.
Yeah, it's getting hot and then cold. It's like hot when the sun out, and then as soon as the sun go into cloud, man, it's like, look at those big clouds. It was super gray earlier, so I bring a big jacket, the one I have when I ride my bike. But you know, the cloud, they disappear and the sun come up, you know. Like, have you ever seen sun in Ireland before?
No,
No.
first time.
Yeah, some strange voodoo magic. Anyways, we're gonna be fine. We have water, we have snacks.
I just wonder how tall that gate is.
I've seen it before, it's not super tall. It was
Alright.
open back then.
Oh, even open, okay.
Yeah, but now they say it's closed, you know, but I think I could probably like kick it open too, you know. And all the roads, man, if we have to go to the top, we go to the top. You know, you proper hydrated, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
I got my 7-Up.
Yeah, but you drink a lot of water in the morning and stuff like this.
No, not really.
Shit.
But it's okay.
Yeah, I drink 2 big bottles in the gym in the morning.
All right, nice.
But lost a lot too, you know, you sweat.
Yeah. I forgot to buy water. Water in Ireland is not drinkable, isn't it?
I don't know. I filter mine because they put chemical in the water that turn the freaking frogs gay. Man, if I have a PO box, you know, send me some Alex Jones water filter. Now we're gonna get banned for sure.
Oh no, that's
No, it's okay. It's
Edit
far
that
away
out,
from
you
the
need to edit
intro.
that out.
Nah, man.
Not AJ.
Yeah, I can't mention that. Even though it's just a meme, you know, like it's just a funny guy for people outside of Europe. Some funny clips, but man, I'm not smart. I don't know how tech sensor or anything like that work. I'm just a snake with a POV. And you know, also let me know if there's any places in the Ireland you think I should go. I can explore on the weekends, try to get away from the office job. People, they sometimes wonder, you know, how you know adventures. Yeah, I talk to locals, and I also read the comments always. See ideas. You guys are idea machines. And I can imagine, you know, taking the e-bike here. Oof. You tried it, yeah? The zinga zinga
Yeah.
zinga.
You mean the motorcycle?
Yeah, the motorcycle. Oh, this is so nice.
Finally, some shades. Oh, you can feel it much cooler here.
Yep. No, but man, imagine taking it's a troll under the bridge hiding. It's gonna jump up, tell us a riddle. Riddle with this. What would be an Irish riddle to tell? I don't know.
Jeez. Name one of those ancient kings they had.
King Louis.
You know, they had, you know about the ancient Irish kings?
No, I have no idea, bro.
Ireland has some crazy ancient history. They had an ancient kingdom, but That's all it's known about. But
Huh. Man, I thought it was just farmland and cows.
there was a lot of history here, a lot of civilization going on.
Ah,
They even have a temple that is one of the oldest in the world,
of course.
like 6,000 years old.
And it was probably beautiful before the British came. Pesky Brits. But now they left here alone. So now it's freedom for Ireland once again, except for Northern Ireland, still occupied.
Oh wow. Should show this.
Yeah, just fields and fields.
I think this
Man.
is where the Gladiator was filmed actually.
Yeah, for sure. Man, you guys are lucky. You don't have to walk these steep hills. You just get to watch all the beauty in a wide angle. Damn. I'm gonna make this one a 45-minute one. And probably that's gonna be all the way to the top. Oh. So man, you happy we went out today? Did adventure?
Man, I'm more than happy. Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
Look at the views.
it's very good.
And it smells good too.
Ah, yeah. Man, maybe in the future they find a way to capture the smell in the camera too. Some VR stuff.
Exactly.
Who knows? And imagine how much weight you would lose if you did this hike, like every day down. Rather take Ozempic. That's the American answer. Nah, but you know, Irish Board of Tourism, they should pay me. Like I show this stuff, you know. Okay, come on, give me a sponsorship. Send this video to them. They can pay me in steaks. I accept steaks and whiskey.
And cigars.
Oh yes, and cigars. But we have a terrible, no tobacco here, you know, like all the good. Like Cuba is nice, it's very expensive. And then Dominican Republic is almost as nice. And then the worst cigars, in the Snake opinion, is the Davidoff. They make the cigars in Geneva, and you know what I suspect, man?
Tell me.
I suspect they mix in like industrial tobacco into it. So it's not only rolled tobacco leaves, but they actually put crushed tobacco in it, just like they do with normal cigarettes. And
You noticed that in the taste, or?
yeah, and like I talked to some people up, like to make the most northern cigars in Sweden. It's like two sisters, you know, like way up. They have this special tobacco that they got from Canada that grow north, and they suspect it too, you know, especially from the Davidoff. So I don't think it's conspiracy. I think they actually like make it cheaper because it tastes worse. And you know, when you buy the like Dominican Republic and Cuba, they're not gonna have like the machinery.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, beautiful dog. No, they're not gonna have the machinery to do like industry style. It's just a family rolling tobacco leaves, you know.
Holy shit, it's 4 kilometers to Bray.
Ah, it say that on the sign.
Yeah, that's the sign. 4 kilometers to Bray.
Oh man, it's gonna go a lot quicker than we thought.
That's probably the shortest way.
Yeah,
But that's what we're taking, right?
yeah,
Climbing over the gate.
exactly. Or kicking it in.
No kidding.
Very nice.
We're gonna have Garda coming.
Man, I think it's admiring that like a jog. This one is high altitude, man.
You saw this one.
Yeah.
You need to drink like 10 liters.
This is the gate. I can get in. We can, when we get to Bray, it's beautiful beach with like a round stone on it.
Nice.
We can sit there and we can eat half chicken fillet roll.
And I'm gonna go first, man.
Yep.
Look at these signs.
Yeah, landslide house. Need a Jackie the jaw. What? I don't know, Irish slang.
I mean, they made it sound so dangerous, but
Yeah,
it's a baby path.
that's right. Man, you see the signs, guys? I'm risking death for you guys. Gotta push the like button and send it to a friend who's afraid of long hikes.
Oh, look at that beach down there. That is fucking beautiful.
Damn, bro. And so high up also.
So empty. How do you even get down there?
No one knows. We gotta go to Cliffs of Moher.
Yeah.
Those are the most famous cliffs. Everybody probably knows them, and they're not in England, they're in Ireland.
Oh.
It's Irish.
People mistaken them for being English.
Probably, man. The English
guess.
they try to take everything. You see? Also, you know, it's not English breakfast. It's Irish breakfast.
Is it true?
It is now.
Damn.
We're starting spreading the news, you know.
It was taken over.
And tell all your friends in the office. It's what it is, bro.
What was the place you told us to go to on the western side?
Donegal.
Donegal.
Yeah.
Do you know it?
Nah, I never been to Donegal, man. But I think it's gonna be Atlantic style, and this Atlantic driveway, you know, like a tourist destination. Man, we should rent a car and go there. Oh, just gotta save some money and we can do it. It's a harsh world for the snake. I ask the Latinas to chip in. I say, oh, it's for a gift for you. It's a present for you, and I use it. I rent a car and I go.
Or we take them with us and make them pay for it.
Yeah. Very, very true, man.
See, now it's cold again.
Yeah, now it's nice.
It's unpredictable.
Yeah. It gets a lot easier to walk also when it's cool like this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, this is why they put the signs.
I mean,
Man,
okay, it's dangerous.
this, and imagine it's windy. Man, oh man. I wonder how that's gonna look on the wide angle.
This is a landslide, you see?
Yeah, this is a landslide. This used to be a path and it's fallen down. Yeah, you see, it used to be like a hedge here, and then the hedge just fall down on the landslide probably. Man, just
Why they put the sign?
yeah, this is why they put the sign. Okay, so we have some landslides, but they don't have snow that melt and create landslides. So how does it make a landslide? Makes no sense.
Oh, probably all the rain. Could be all the rain.
Ah, yes. Man, you're right, it rains all the time.
But with this many trees and greenery, the roots should have stabilized the earth more. But yeah, I don't know.
Crazy, but how would the rain... Ah, you mean that the rain would turn the earth like liquid or something?
Liquid, exactly. But when you have trees and greenery, then the roots work like some sort of reinforcement. They keep the earth in place.
And it should absorb it too, I think.
Yeah.
But you know, in Ireland it rains all the time. So it's probably what happened. So I wonder when we're gonna see the crazy views also.
Yeah, it is. Closer to the mouth.
Yeah. It's also a bit uneven here. You gotta be careful with the steps. And I don't know, like, if Ireland has oysters or not. Probably. Like, I spoke to a girl on Tinder that really liked the oysters at the Hoth, you know, hint hint. Nah, I'm not gonna take you there, man, like, come on. But I tried it once at the steakhouse here on the FX Buckley. It was okay. And maybe there's oyster in Atlantic, I don't know.
Yeah, that's a bunch of oysters.
Of course.
But it's not for everyone. You need to take it. You're gonna need to shove it down your throat.
It's
one
delicious.
Don't chew.
Yeah. But did you eat oysters in Thailand or no?
No, I don't trust seafood in Thailand that much.
Not even the fresh one you buy from...
Yeah, some of the fresh ones I did. But oysters can be really dangerous if they're not alive.
Man.
They're...
Maybe they fake it. They put it in water and it's dead.
Yeah. A lot of people do that.
Probably. The other fish and lobster, you can see them move around, but
Exactly.
like an oyster, it's just a shell. Man, when I was there, it was 3 oyster for 100 baht.
Yeah.
So that's like, so divide by 6 to get to dollars. You know, I don't know. No, it's probably more. I don't know. Math is hard.
Yeah.
Okay, we're getting higher and higher. And here they tear down the sign also, the warning signs.
Looks like a jungle.
Yeah. I think maybe they stopped maintaining it recently because of the landslides. Of course, I always bring my machete. I'm ready for action. Bring that Stockholm mindset, you know. Like Ireland, extremely peaceful coming from suburb of Sweden. It's like a paradise. That's crazy, you know, you can hear the ocean. Like
Un pan tostado me dieron con un queso.
you can't see the ocean, but you can hear it.
No.
Okay, it looked like it's gonna clear up here real soon.
Let these guys go maybe.
Yeah, they're quicker than us. Yeah. No. Along
That's
the
England
cliffs.
right there.
Screw those guys. Yeah.
Really? Can't see the tip.
How's the cardio feeling, by the way?
This is nice.
Okay, good.
This is a very relaxing pace.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm feeling okay too. It was a little bit tiring in the beginning with all that sun. I was like, damn, how's it gonna go? But now,
I mean, it's not that tough of a walk.
nah, it's okay.
Many people from Spain, as I told you, two Cajuns are on the
Mhm.
rise.
So they come here for the cold.
For the cold and the clouds and the rain, because it's 45 degrees Celsius in Madrid.
Oof. Man, you can do nothing 45.
You die.
Man, everybody gonna want to go to Ireland and Sweden, Spain. I better get my passport, Ireland passport soon.
You think they're gonna give you citizenship?
Yeah. Why not?
You're the snake, man.
Oh, that's true. They're gonna do a background check. They're gonna see. Do not let this guy in. That's when I get the anchor baby, you know. That's a new strategy. Citizenship.
You need to pop a baby soon.
Yeah, like I listen to cab drivers, you know. There's a lot of welfare here in Ireland.
Yeah.
So the cab driver he tell me that it's a career for some women here, you know, to get pregnant, and then they don't type anything on the birth certificate. So you know, no baby daddy, they don't know. So they get the full government funding. They get like €2,000, you know, $2,000, and like housing benefits, so they can rent.
Damn.
Yeah, they rent out nice place, and then you know, the boyfriend, the dad, he just go there and live anyway, so they have extra income.
Jeez.
So he know this because he take this baby mama, you know, he drop her off Ampost, it's a post office here, and she pick up, you know, welfare check on the way from airport, you know, big family vacation, and they talk, you know, like this and that. So you listen in. And then they get this big benefit, you know, like, and they just make sure to pop one out like evenly, you know, so they don't have to do work and can just.
Yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, they're very smart. They're smart women.
That's really smart.
Yeah. Man, equality. Give me equality. I also want this. Men get pregnant too. Whatever. Oh wow, we're getting tall up, mate.
Now we're climbing. Now begins the incline.
Yeah. Oh man, you know, and this is one of the things like we have to do while we're still young. Like some things, you know. Oh, by the way.
Yeah, look at this view.
Damn. Just looking back.
That's the beach we saw.
She. You have to swim to that beach.
Yeah. It's all landslides.
That was beautiful. Like, what a view.
Obviously, it was like 2 weeks prior to me being.
And we're gonna get the same view on the road down, I think, but towards the Bray side, where they have this crazy beach where we're gonna eat the sandwich.
Nice.
But yeah, man, we gotta do this while we're young. Our legs work. You know, if we wait all the way until we retire from some corporate job, you know, at 67 or 74, or if it even happen, you know, when we're old,
Your back starts hurting.
yeah, we're never gonna be able to do this. Man, it's a scam. Oh. Hello.
Look, here.
So we gotta get out now. Man, lucky guy, probably live here, you know. You take a run on this coast every day.
It's a tough job.
Yeah. Wow.
But that's the mountain.
Sleep. Yeah. Jesus.
So we either scale the gate
Or we climb to the
or
top.
we climb to the top. And I can see a path here already.
Yeah.
They said there are many paths you can take. All of them lead to Rome.
Mm-hmm. Like, yeah, this small one here too.
This one looks a bit too.
Yeah.
This one maybe we should.
Yeah. Yeah, we walk a bit further. On the cliff walk.
I mean, if you're wanted, you just can come to Ireland and hide in these bushes.
Yeah, put up a tent,
No one will find you here ever.
do some fishing,
Plenty of water.
you hide from all the wars,
Yeah.
you steal a little bit, you know, from the local Tesco, get food on the table.
Yeah.
No, you don't need a lot. It's not like it's super hot or cold
Yeah.
all the year.
3 kilometers.
Yeah, bro.
We just walked 1 click.
Nice. And this exercise. And I'm happy I bring like long sleeve also, because a lot of these man, how are you holding up, you know, you're getting any scratches or no?
Am I getting any?
Scratches.
No, it's fine.
It's like a thorn bush, you know.
Yeah. I see him.
Yeah.
There are some.
You see them and you stay clear of them.
Exactly.
Okay, the thorn bush.
Here's another path. Out the mountain.
I think this one gonna lead to the top probably.
Yeah.
But
Let's see. There's.
nah, we take this one, bro.
I'm gonna check this board.
Yeah, just check it. What did it say?
Okay, no map.
Yeah. We're gonna see the crazy view anyway, I think.
Yeah, no maps.
But man, we both new hikers, you know, like we already being brave, taking the dangerous path and not the alternative route. I think over there is Bray, around this corner. And this old wall, what do you think it was? Like back in the day? So we've been on this trail for about 34 minutes now, and I know that that's where the train comes. So I know that the camera, it only lasts like 45 minutes and then it makes a new cut. And I don't know how to fix this, and I don't know how to edit this together. So we're just gonna go towards minute 45. Then that's gonna be it for the Greystone to Bray hike. If you wanna see it all, then come to Ireland and walk it. But yeah, roughly 15 minutes tape left. smell of the sea. I don't always think about the smell when you watch a travel video on YouTube. It's hard to see, but this one, man, top experience. Ocean breed and ocean smells. By the way, you want to walk to the top and maybe do a sandwich there, or you think
Nah, man, just some other day.
yeah,
Let's see if we can take it by the beach.
okay,
Before it gets hot. This is nice.
yeah,
Cliff walk.
that's right. Bray Cliff Walk. So the team in Bray, the sport team, they called Bray Wanderers. I wonder why, as we wander. We could have also just taken the train to Bray and then walked to Greystone. Actually, it seems way more common. And then you take like the train back from the Greystone. Hello, hello.
Alright. I think this is nice. We got to see the town, the marina.
Ah, yes. That's true, the marina. Man. Now imagine having a boat like that, eh?
Yeah,
Shit.
one day.
Yeah, one day, bro. And not only you know that you have the boat, that you have the time to use it. That's the tough one. Like plenty of people in Sweden, they have the boat, like office people, and then they use it 2 times when they take it and put it in the water in the summer start, and then second time when they take it out of water and put it on land before all the water freeze, because it all freezes in Sweden. So what's the point of having a boat then, man? Like, if you don't have the time to use it. Damn, dude, it's so far down. Like, it's really steep. You fall down here, it's game over.
I'm worrying more about landslides, man.
Yeah,
What if a landslide hits? Then we're fucked.
but I don't think it has been that heavy rain, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna go higher here. Oof, get ready. Top ascent incoming. An uneven ground too. This, yeah. It's not if you're too unfit here, man. You can't do this.